Well, I just bought Microsoft stock. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about why I just bought it, pretty much my thought process, my strategy behind it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I've been a full-time trader and investor in the stock market for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where we talk about pretty much my strategies, my mindset, how I find undervalued stocks, my approach, my strategies. Guys, it's awesome. We have a private group chat, we have private live streams, we have quizzes, lectures, everything you guys need to get started with investing and trading and navigating the markets. And right now you guys can use code MONEY. Code MONEY for 50% off, guys. Check it out down below and let's jump into this here. So recently I just bought Microsoft stock. So the reason why I bought it is, one, Microsoft is a very, very well-established company. So my thought process on this was very, very simple. Is one, Microsoft recently sold off from about 648 all the way down to about lows here at about 430. Now, the reason why it got so much sell-off here is just a whole bunch of AI sell-off. We saw Nvidia sell-off, we saw Google, we saw a whole bunch of stocks, especially tech-related, get a lot of sell-off here. So my thought process is, we always hear the expression, buy low, sell high. So for me, I look at the sell-off as opportunity to buy it. Another reason I bought it here, if you look close here, we have this blue line. So this blue line is an indicator used for traders and investors and even hedge funds. Now, what it uses is the 90-day moving average line. So that's what it's called. And you guys can see it hits it. And we've gotten good tendencies of actually getting good support here on the 90-day moving average line. So the second I hit it here, we hopped in near and around this 434 area, right in this range, setting our stop loss just below it. And the thing about this is, you know, as far as Microsoft goes, I think we all know this company's not going anywhere anytime soon. So what I mean by a stop loss is more just like, I will move this just to my long-term portfolio and not really mess with it. You know, Microsoft, well-established blue chip company worth billions, if not trillions of dollars. And even looking at some of like their recent financials here, you guys can see they've seen really, really good growth here on premium subscribers for cloud service revenue. They've done a great job on EPS, also known as earnings per share. Their gross margin is up, their net margin is up. But more importantly, looking at their revenue here, their revenue is up 17%, with their operating income being up 23%. Their cash flow being up 34%. And even just looking at like their income statement, they've done a phenomenal job here. Total revenue 17%, operating revenue 17%, cost of revenue 14%, gross profit up 18%. So just all of the things we look for good long-term investing. So honestly, my approach is super simple. Hopping in here, setting stops, or AKA moving to long-term portfolio. And I really think that looking back in 5, 10, 15 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought Microsoft at its current prices. On top of that, we also saw a whole bunch of analysts here said Microsoft stock has further room to run, says analysts, as software giant remains on track to hit 200 billion in cloud revenue in 2 years. So that is always a really, really good thing to see. They pretty much upped their price target from 465 to 485, which from its current price right now, that's going to be a return. Let's go ahead and draw it out. So that's going to be a return of near and around 9%. So I'll gladly take that all day long. Plus, Microsoft, well established, they pay dividends so you can compound your money. And I really think this is an absolute no-brainer investment for anybody that is just looking to buy it at a cheaper price. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out our school where we talk about how to find these undervalued stocks. We'll see you guys in there. Code MONEY, 50% off, and we'll see you guys. Take care.